For 50 years, astronomers have been staring at the center of our galaxy, looking for something that should be there, but wasn't. We're talking about Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole that anchors the entire Milky Way. It's a monster 4 million times heavier than our Sun. But this monster was missing its most famous feature. Until today, what did scientists just find blowing out of our black hole? To understand the mystery, you need to know how black holes usually behave. When active supermassive black holes eat gas and dust, they are messy eaters. They don't just suck everything in. The material spins so fast and gets so hot that a lot of it gets violently blasted back out into space. We're talking about galactic hurricanes. These winds and jets are so powerful they can completely disrupt entire galaxies. We've seen these extreme winds in almost every other active galaxy we look at. But when we looked at our own supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*, nothing. No jets, no wind, just silence. For 5 decades, this drove scientists crazy. Was our black hole broken? Was it dead? Was it just shy? Turns out our black hole isn't dead. It's just in a very, very quiet phase. But using the ALMA telescope in Chile and NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory, researchers finally cracked the case. They spotted a massive, cone-shaped cavity filled with hot, electrically charged gas right next to the black hole. This empty space wasn't an accident. It was sculpted, carved out by the very thing we've been looking for, the black hole's wind. But here's the hilarious part. After 50 years of searching for a violent, galaxy-ripping hurricane, they found a gentle breeze. Seriously, the scientists literally called it a gentle breeze. It's not strong enough to drastically change the center of our galaxy, but it proves that our black hole is acting exactly like it should. As gas spirals inward, it gets close to the speed of light. The pressure gets so intense that more gas is actually ejected outward than falls in. Imagine trying to eat a burger, but 80% of it just flies out of your mouth. That's our black hole right now. And this is a wind, not a jet. What's the difference? Jets are narrow and focused like a laser pointer. Winds are wider and expand as they leave, kind of like a flashlight beam. And this flashlight beam of hot gas might extend up to 6.5 light years in length. That is massive. For context, that's further than the distance from Earth to our nearest neighboring star. So why is our black hole so chill right now? Supermassive black holes spend most of their lives in this quiet state. But don't let the gentle breeze fool you. Sometimes they go through massive outbursts. They wake up. That gentle breeze can turn into a violent thunderstorm or a hurricane that rips through everything in its path. In fact, we know Sagittarius A* has thrown tantrums before. We can see giant bubbles of radiation extending above and below our galaxy, leftovers from a time when our black hole was eating a lot more and blowing out a lot more than a gentle breeze. But finding this wind today is a massive deal. It finally connects our quiet, local black hole to the wild, active monsters we see across the universe. It's the missing puzzle piece that proves the physics of black holes works the same everywhere. So the next time you look up at the night sky toward the constellation Sagittarius, just remember there's a 4 million solar mass monster sitting in the dark. And right now, it's just blowing a gentle breeze. If you want to stay updated on the craziest space discoveries, hit that subscribe button and check out more videos right here. Thanks for watching.